Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review of this kit here. So I do believe I am using the 177 caliber of these air cleaning pellets here, if I remember correctly. It's been a long night. So how you're supposed to use them is you're supposed to take your magazine, drop one into the magazine, just like that, okay? And then load it just like how you usually load it. Alright. We're going to get the tar out here so you can kind of see it. And then cocked it so that it's loaded in there. And what that pellet's going to do, that pellet's going to come out of the magazine, down the barrel of the gun. So pretty much it's the reverse of this. You know how with this you had the mop that you push down forward? Almost like reaming the gun, like if you had an old muzzle loader or a black powder type of gun or a flintlock, you know, or what's the one that I'm thinking of? It's the big old shotgun. Not a boomstick. What is that thing called? Blunderbuss. Yeah. Well, you remember how, like, in the old army days, like, I don't know, I want to say, like, probably between, like, the colonists and the colonials and the redcoats and, you know, all that stuff, and then, you know, with the whole, Confederate War and stuff, with the Confederates and the Unions, we know how they had their guns, and they had tip their guns, take the powder, put a little bit of a patch, or yeah, a patch or a wad in, did a little mustard ball, some powder, a little bit more of like a patch. Then they took their reaming rods, took it out, stuffed it down in there. Some might call it a half cut. Their lever or their striker, put some powder in the charge pan, then fully cut it back. It's kind of like that, or doing like this with your mop, only except it's reversed. But instead of needing the mop and everything else, you just have one of these little pellets, put it inside your little magazine, and when you fire it, it should come out. As you can see, it's no longer in that magazine. Where did that pellet go? Because I don't think it just went into dust. So let me put this in there just to kind of see. There's the pellet. The pellet finally came out now. It took 2 shots. And that pellet did bounce and I lost the pellet somewhere in my house. But that's pretty much what this is. They're kind of like designed for quick in the field cleaning. If you know you drop your gun in sand or mud or something like that when you're playing on the field, depending on you know where you go play your airsoft at and the environment. Instead of carrying like this whole box with you and this cleaning rod and or what do they call this? Futz cleaning rod. Or even if you have like a Fitz cleaning rod that, you know, it's so much length but then you got to screw it on and so much more length and screw it together. These are meant to be quick, easy. Take one, load it into your magazine, pop it in there, do what you gotta do, put a trigger, your gun barrel's nice and clean now. So it's just a little bit of a quicker version of this. So it's a quicker, compact version of that. So when you're on the field, lightweight, quick, compact, you know. Although these, you can probably get more than one use out of them, just if you can find them, and if they're still in okay shape. So like, since I'm finding, you know, in my house at this, I could probably be using it a couple times. Now in the field, probably about one time use, because you know, just like with the BB, if it falls out and you know lands somewhere in the grass, dirt, sand, mud, whatever, you're not gonna be able to find it. But yeah, it is nice that they are making these now, which is a pretty good idea. So are these one-time use or are they reusable? Yeah, it depends. If you can find them again on the ground and they're not that bad, reuse it. If you can't find it, or if it's one that you're like, it will actually give my gun more dirty than not using it, then don't use it as a one-time use. So can't really tell you, oh, it's a reusable or oh, it's a one-time use. It just depends. If you can find it, if it's in good shape on the ground, I probably would reuse it. Maybe another 2 or 3 times, and then after that, be like, nah, I'm going to put a new one, fresh one out of a little baggie. And if, it gets lost, oh well, it got lost. You know? But yeah, I just had to quickly show you how that works. So let's get everything that came with this back in view here. So yeah, that's everything that you get in here. Frets cleaning rod, cleaning mops, nylon brushes, retainer cap, screwdriver, adapter. This is more of a screwdriver than anything else for a cleaning rod retaining holder. Doesn't work. Screwdriver works perfectly. The case and these wonderful little compact little cleaning pellets. So yeah, not bad at all. Again, link to the website down below in the description there. Also a link to this one, and if I find, the page on the website, then, I actually have the page of, where this one is. If not, then just pretty much their standalone website. But yeah. Yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.